This car, SUV, Mercedes. We did this car at the Mercedes dealership. I don't have the history behind it, but it's the Mercedes at big SUV. Passenger side light is fine. Come over and look at the driver's side, and it's a mess, all hazed out. We had to try to match it to the other side, but that's why they called us, and that's the work we do. So, let's see it again here. Here you go. Passenger side, perfect. And then we had to match it on the driver's side. We got a real close match. It looks great. Nobody would know. Perfection. Give us a call. South Florida Headlight Restoration. Broward Headlight Restoration. 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures. Give us a call. We come to you. We're mobile. We serve Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Call us today.